Good morning to all. Good morning, sir. Today we are here to give a presentation on the topic of wildlife preservation with the help of AI technology. Subject Universal Science Code MC471, Class 2nd Year 4th Semester. Presented by Aman Mandal and Vishesh Yadav and Sangeet Kumar. Here are some contents. What is wildlife? Importance of wildlife. What is wildlife preservation? What is AI technology? What is goal of AI technology? Uses of AI technology. How many types of AI technology? Mechanism, application, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, environment, and application. Now, coming to the introduction part of this topic, what is wildlife actually? Animals that grow or live in wild without any human interference is known as wildlife. It traditionally refers to undomesticated animal species but has come to include all organisms without being introduced by humans. Importance of wildlife. Animals are the part of this world, but nowadays if you look at the census of animals day by day, the number of endangered species are increasing. So we need to preserve them and save the animals and nature both. Wildlife helps keep the food clean and plays thereby maintain ecological stability of the various nature processes. What is wildlife preservation actually? Wildlife preservation is the practice to protecting animal and plants species and their habitats as part of the world's ecosystem. Wildlife provides balance and stability to nature processes. It is being acknowledged that an increasing number of ecosystems on Earth containing endangered species are disappearing. To addressing these issues, there have been both national WPSI and international IUCN and CITES governments' efforts to preserve Earth wildlife. Causes of wildlife destruction: poaching and hunting. Another major cause of animal in danger: poaching and trade on animals, and about us $10 to $15 million per year worldwide. National and international wildlife trade, selling meat, body part, trade for biomedical research, climate change, global warming, pollution, and gun shooting. Now the next slide we will discuss with you, Mr. Vishesh Kumar.
What is the AI technology? AI is the ability of a digital computer control robot to perform tasks commonly associated intelligence with. Artificial intelligence is found in application as diverse as medical diagnosis, computer search engines, and voice or handwriting recognition. Usage of AI technology. AI can help in the prevention and extension of endangered plants and animals, and if such animals are kept under the observation or tracked by the forest ranger, they can be saved from natural disadvantages such as the fire in the forest and illegal activities like poaching. Advancement in the camera and AI system, the wildlife conservation have the ability to detect poachers and in turn prevent the trapping and killing. For example, the wildlife conservation in the Kenya is using poaching and alarm system. There are following uses of AI technology such as online advertising, personalized user experience, AI-powered predictive analysis, web designing, and content generation, content creation, email marketing, voice search optimization, e-commerce. Image of AI technology, AI usage of AI technology, such as types of AI technology. There are following 4 types of AI technology: reactive AI technology, limited memory, theory of mind, self-aware. Application of AI in the wildlife. Wildlife conservation has been recently transformed by the application of artificial intelligence. AI help research determine the location of animals or date of sighting, migration patterns, and even an animal social group. AI used by the conservation to monitor and protect animals in their natural habitat. In this article, we are going to inform with you the benefits of artificial intelligence in wildlife protection and some use cases. Some example of AI technology: drone and unmanned aerial vehicle, yeah, type of aircraft that operates without a human pilot on the board, such like importance of drone from the set regarding anti-poaching effect to reducing animals main conflict, air conflict, aerial presence and surveillance has come handy in the wild. Launching of a drone requires a minimum amount of workers and can help overcome obstacles such as dense vegetation and canopy of coverage and area that are too dangerous for workers to access. Next slide will be discussed Sanket Kumar.
Animal tracking, low-tech new generation of collars half regulate double data. There are two types of animal tracking devices: old generation and new generation. The weight of old generation is 780 grams and the weight of new generation is 50% lighter than old generation. How do animal tracking device works? In GPS tracking, a radio receiver, not a transmitter, is placed on the animal. The radio receiver picks up the signal from its special satellites. The receiver has a computer that then calculate the location of the movement of the animal. The data gathered by the receiver is then sent to another set of satellites. Legal framework for the wildlife conservation in India. Many people are under impression that India does not have a strong wildlife conservation law. The government of India has introduced various types of response to growing wildlife and forest. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972, the National Wildlife Action Plan 2002 to 2016, the Biological Diversity Act 2002, the Indian Forest Act 1927, the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Project undertaken by the Indian government for wildlife protection. Wildlife is an important component of biodiversity. Various projects have been taken by the Indian government such as Project Tiger, Project Elephant, Indian Rhino Vision 2020. Advantage of AI in wildlife. All faculty, the collection of vast and fascinating data sets and their analysis in no time. AI is helping wildlife researchers in studying the wild animal species collectively and making a strategy to protect them. Artificial intelligence tracks wildlife patterns and predicts the extinction of endangered data species, which helps the conservation to detect stop wildlife poaching. It can provide information about the effect of climate change on wildlife and reducing the impact of designing a proper plan. It helps to stop illegal animal trade on social media. AI algorithms can conserve animal habitats by predicting animal migratory patterns. Artificial intelligence identifies and classifies animal species into various classes and provides detailed information about them. Disadvantage of the AI in wildlife: high cost. The ability to create machines that can estimate human intelligence is no small feat. It requires plenty of time and resource and can cost a huge deal of memory. New creativity, efficacy, advantage of AI that can not learn to think outside the box. AI is capable of learning over time with pre-fed data and past experience that can be creative in its approach. Increase in unemployment. Perhaps one of the biggest disadvantages of artificial intelligence is AI is slowly replacing the number of respective tasks with codes to make human lazy. AI automates the majority of tenders and respective tasks since we do not have memory, think or solve puzzle to get job done. We tend to use our brain less and less. Love wildlife, love animals, love nature, protect wildlife. AI facilitates the collection of vast and fascinating data sets and their analysis in no time. AI can also help wildlife research in studying the wild animal species collectively and making a strategy to protect them. Artificial intelligence tracks wildlife patterns and predicts the extinction of endangered animal species. It helps conservation to detect and stop wildlife poaching. It can provide information about the effect of climate change on wildlife and reducing its impact by designing a proper plan. Artificial intelligence identifies and classifies animal species into various classes and provide detailed information about them. AI algorithm can conserve animal habitats by predicting animal migratory patterns. Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks and gratitude to our subject teacher, Mr. Soumyajit Gorai sir, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful presentation on this topic. AI technology will help in wildlife preservation, which also help us to doing a lot of research, and we came to know about so many things. Friends, with the help of this Google, YouTube, PowerPoint, we will make this project. Thank you. Hope everyone has enjoyed and learned about the importance of wildlife. Once again, thank you to all of you.